Guys, here with Mike Johnson at the US College Expo. Brother, how's it going?
All good. A good day. Lots of old memories. The kids look young and they seem young, but it also seems like not that long ago I was in their shoes trying to figure out what I was going to do, go to university and where it was going to happen. So it was great. Great to meet them and hear the stories.
And it's phenomenal. You were talking about on stage just your journey and how everything went and giving a word of advice to people in terms of, pursuing what they want to do, but also assuring that they still have that degree. So could you talk a little bit more about that?
Well, I think that's the benefit of the path that I took going down to the States, is that I was still playing hockey, and if hockey worked out, which I didn't plan on it working out, but if it did, then great. But if it didn't, I have a degree, and my goal growing up was to go to university, get a degree, go get a job, work in finance, and be like so many other people here in downtown Toronto. So to have that flexibility and to have that time to figure out what you want to do, who you're going to be, what you want to do with your life, was what I certainly needed. And I think it's one of the best assets of the NCAA and American or any university program is it gives you time, because you're asking a lot of 18-year-old kids, still kids, and you're asking to make life decisions. So delaying that a few years worked out well for me.
Well, that's cool. Well, again, thank you so much for your inspiring words today, and wish you nothing but the best of luck in your journey of continued success. And here with the famous Maple Leafer.
Yeah.
All right.
I played for the Leafs when you were probably 10 years old, so it's a long time ago. But you know what? That's the beauty of the Maple Leafs in Toronto. Once you play there, you're always considered a Maple Leaf.
Always. And representing Scarborough, because I'm in the East End as well. So
I was in the opposite, West Side,
Oh,
all the way
West
Finch and Pharmacy.
Finch and Pharmacy. Oh.
That's where I grew up. So John A. McDonald,
Shout out.
that's where we all come from.
Thanks again, Mike.
All right,
Appreciate
cheers.
it.